Now, huwag na kayong mag-worry sa did you erase? I erased and I passed. Isang full page ang erase ko. I passed. So, ang ano ko sa inyo ngayon is to give you peace of mind. Tapos na yun eh. You cannot change it. Prayers lang ang pwede nyo gawin. And manonood kayo ng sine, you will remember one more exam question. And then, tama kaya yung sagot ko doon? Pray. Basta kayo, maganda yung background nyo. Alam nyo namang nagbasa kayo. Sometimes, and how to admit, being a lawyer is a destiny. Kung talagang gusto nyo, if you didn't make it sa taong to, you are allowed 3, and you are allowed as many. Kayo ang bahala. But of course, happy tayong lahat if you made it. For now, kalimutan nyo lang muna lahat yan. You can burn your books if you want. Avoid all law subjects because that's what I did during the long months, yung 6 months na yon. I avoided all topics of law because I kept on worrying myself whether or not I answered the questions correctly. Mahirap mag-isip ng bagay na hindi na natin makokontrol. The preparation there happened before kayo nag-bar. Now, if you make it, be good. In fact, ngayon pa lang, for this 6 months, huwag kayong makikipag-away. Remember, there was a bar examinee, nakipag-away na over traffic sa Buendia. Amatay siya, umasa siya. He did not become a lawyer because he wasn't able to take the oath. Avoid all people who will make or create trouble for you. Sabagay kahit naman sa law school. Why? I knew a lot. There were classmates I had in college. They weren't able to take the bar because they had to disclose. They had a pending conviction, they had a pending case. They weren't allowed to take the bar. There were those who took the bar and passed it, but they couldn't take the oath. Some of my classmates were involved in the Lenny Villa case. They passed. And I was lonely during the time that I took the oath. Siyam kami pumasa. 6 lang kami naka-oath. Because 3 others took the oath 15 years later. So, be good. Huwag na kayong, alam nyo, carry natin yan eh. Pag abogado ka na, assertive ka eh. Pag natapos ka ng law, ay hindi, huwag na kayo makipag-discussion doon. Traffic, if you can forgive anyone who, na alam nyo, nakakaaway nyo, let it go. And remember, pagpasa nyo, kayo ang pinakamabait na tao sa mundo. That's it.
Thank you po. Parang namamagawa ko. Naintindihan niyo ba yun, guys? Ayan, mag-antay na daw kayo. Simulan niyo lang umasa. Ayan. Pero, sinakabahan ako, lapit na ako mag-ibig. Ayan. Anyway, thank you for that wonderful message. Ayan, it's very inspiring. We would also want to hear some message from the Office of the President. May I call on Attorney Ian de la Cruz?
Evening po sa inyong lahat. Para po sa hindi mga nakakakilala, ako po si